Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we are going to implement custom CSS in this video, and we are doing the same thing for every day with one new custom functionality to implement on live Shopify merchant store. So here is one of the query, but we are going to implement the background color button change here. So someone from official Shopify community asked about down theme, that how do I change color, remove black outline when hovering over button. So we'll be just heading to his live store. On his live store, you will just have to click on the element, right click, and then inspect. After inspecting, you see we are on the same button. So here you see how you can change the background color of this button. We will do this thing today only. So when you are on some element, or if you want to inspect some element, just click on here this arrow if you are on Windows, and then you will be clicking on the element you want to edit. So here you see we have some options that for hover. So today you see we'll be just clicking on this thing, this first button here. So when you click on it, you can see that we are on the element here, this one. But when you will hovering here or something like this, then you will get the right property of that button. You can also see there here on the button we are on it, and then after this thing, background dash color, you can just simply choose the color you want for background. This is not the live implementation, this is just on the front end. You are just previewing it by doing different implementations. So here you see we are just going through different colors options. So once you will do this, then you will just have to note the settings you did, and then copy these CSS with you guys here like this, and then you can simply go to your live store on admin for Shopify. Once you will be on Shopify admin, I'll tell you how you can implement this custom CSS things for your store. So after copying these things, implementation, getting the right CSS, custom CSS code with you, you have to simply go to your live admin Shopify, click on online store. We'll be doing this quickly on another theme other than Dawn, then you can also do this on your live theme. So we'll be previewing our store, live store on Shopify. So here you see we'll be just doing this quick thing on here on these buttons. So we have the button options here, background color. You see we have just changed the colors to black. We'll be just copying this CSS value and the class of the CSS, that is this, right? So you can also copy the class other than this thing. This class will also work. Or you can also try with here. So once you will go to your live store admin, then click on edit code in your theme. When your live theme will be open, we'll be just refreshing this one, so we will see the changes. So here is the live store with these original colors of buttons. So once you will be inside the edit code, you can see we will be implementing custom CSS inside Shopify admin theme. So you'll have to go to assets. Basically all the CSS related things are available in assets inside Shopify here. In the assets you will have to look for .css file. If you have some other theme other than Dawn OS or Crave or latest OS themes, free themes by Shopify, then you will have to look for theme.css. or theme.scss for other things other than Shopify OS 2.2. Oh, and then in the base.css, simply go at the bottom, and at bottom you just have to paste the class you just copied. So you see, for this we can again copy the class for the buttons here. Okay, here you see we are doing some quick things not to get wrong things here. So this thing is not working, so it's not the right button class in here. So you have to just click on this arrow and then copy the class from here, and you will be on the right class for your Shopify button, right? So in here we will be also implementing the same CSS values here. So you see this thing is working. Why is this happening? Because you see we have chosen the class with After Effects, so we'll just clicking on it right again. So in here sometimes the values are not working, then we will be writing important things with us. So here you see the background has been changed for whole div. So we want to change it for only for buttons. So we'll be just getting the right class here. Here you see we got the both classes here. So inside here we have this thing. So this is the background color of these two buttons. We want the background color for each button here. So we'll be just clicking on the class. So we'll be just looking into this again. This one is banner box, and here is banner heading, banner text, banner button. So this one is the right class, I hope. And inside this we have this class for buttons, dot button, background color. So you see we got the right class now. After getting the class, we will copy this CSS value from here like this, and then we will be copying the class. So this one is the class, right? So after doing this, just refreshing it to get it normal, because we haven't implemented the CSS yet. So after getting the class, you have to go to your backend of Shopify, write the class, you can braces, and then paste the CSS value, then close the brackets. After doing this, click on save, and when you save it, you can check the changes. Like here we are going to refresh it. Here you see the live thing has been implemented on all the buttons inside our DOM that has class with dot button. You can also do with different buttons with different classes. So here was a quick video on custom CSS. We will be coming daily with our new problem facing regarding